Hi, this is Jessica, and I will show you an example of SCL3 using the HMI display. The numerical input must be 3 to 15, and the required actual output is 4 to 20 milliampere via analog output channel. So here are the parameters I use for the offset value, FA24, delta X, 120. So this is actually 12, but I used 120 for the user to easily enter the decimal value. And then delta Y 1770, Y max 1770, and Y min 0. So here is the PLC ladder diagram. So now I will demonstrate the SCL3. So at an input of 3, you should have an output of 4 milliampere. So which is in PLC output, it should be pound 00. So now we're going to test it. So here's the numerical keypad. So I'm going to enter 3, which is the minimum input, and we should expect an output of 0 for 4 milliampere. So here is an here is an here's the result of placing placing the minimum input. So now we're going to test the maximum input, which is 15. And since 20 milliampere is the maximum output, we should expect an PLC output of 1770. So here, that's all. Thank you.